second recording. Okay, so if you use count, it will again, if you use count, it will count the range here with number only. So I have 6 cells here is with number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then if you use count here, you will get 0 because none of this cell is with number. So I need to count A. A stands for alphabet. So when I press enter, I have 12 cells here is with number. One more time. So this time we still need count A. Okay. Enter. So I have 12. And then this one same, equal count A, and then you highlight count shop. So we have 10 shops, 12 bags, and 12 phones. Okay, so minimum, maximum, I hope you still remember. We just did the part 1, which is equal max, and then select the range, and then equal mean, then select the range again. And then equal average, and then select the range again. Okay. Okay. Let's say I want to count how many mobile brands here is with Apple. So I want to count Apple only from this range. Then we need to use count if. Okay. Open bracket. It says that the first one is called range. So you highlight the range here. You highlight the range and then comma. Now the second one, they need criteria, what you want to count. So I want to count Apple. So I just click this one. So they will count whatever is similar to Apple. So I have 5 mobile phone is with Apple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Similar, so I can drag it. So I have 2 Samsung. Okay. Count phones apart from Sony. So equal count if. Open bracket. Okay, the first one is you highlight all the range. Okay. Now, I don't want Sony. If I put like this, oops. If I put like this, it will become, I count Sony. There are 3 Sony here, 1, 2, and 3. But now the problem is I don't want Sony. So what I will do here is I put a open and close. I don't know what is this bracket called. Just open and close tag. Okay, or bracket. And then this is called not. So I count as long as it is not Sony. Then I have 9. So there are 9 phones here is not from Sony. Okay. The other way is you click on the function. Always use the insert function when you don't know how to do anything. So I will put count. So you choose here. Are we going to count the number in the range contain number? No. Alphabet? Yes, but alphabet with condition. So it's not this. Counting an empty cell? No. Count if a certain range meet the given condition. Yes. We need to apply a condition which must be a Prada or I don't know how to pronounce that. So okay. So the first one, you highlight the range. Okay, the second one, what's the condition? So I will choose H19 because it says that I must have this. Okay, so I will click OK, then you get 2. So you just drag it down, and then using the same method, but this time I use count if. Okay, so highlight everything here, and then the criteria is not what? I also don't know how to pronounce this. So we have 6 brands is apart from this brand. Okay, sorry, my English doesn't support me to pronounce this brand. Okay, okay. So top shop, how many from top shop? Equal count if. You highlight everything, and then comma. Criteria is this one. Okay, same. You drag it down, and the last one equal count if, and then you highlight everything, and then you comma, and then not from Zara or Zara or I don't know, Zara, I don't know. So I have 10, 3, 1, 7. Okay. This one, count all cards. So I will count equal count 8 because I want to give which is not empty. So I just count this because I just need how many cards. Okay, number 2, count Toyota. So count if range here, and then comma. The criteria you can either put like Toyota like this. Okay, it is accepted as Toyota. Like this is accepted, or you just put count if open bracket and then comma, and then you put Nissan, and you get 3. Okay, all car brands apart from Toyota. So I will copy this, okay, because they are same. I just need to change it to not Toyota. Okay, I just need to change it to not Toyota. But the range still same. I'm still using the same range. So I will copy this, okay, and then for Pathfinder, I will delete this, and then I move my cursor after the comma, and I click this, and then enter. Oh, sorry. The range is no longer here. The range is here. Okay, enter. I get 3, and then drag down, and then copy, paste, and then I put not. Okay, you cannot use that. Then okay, 10. Okay, so try to check how use the last one. Equal count if. Okay, you highlight everything here, and then it says that more than 2012. So you just more than 2012. Enter. double bracket, sorry. Okay, it becomes like this, more than 2012. Okay, so I will copy, and then this one is equal to 2014, and this one you just copy paste, less than 2011, and then this one is as long as not 2013. Okay, so you get the answer. Okay, so I won't do this because I want you to try it out for this one. Okay, next I will teach you how to do the sum is if. Okay, so find the total, highest, lowest, and average. This one I think you know how to do. Okay, they don't give us the attempt number, so I will put a random between 0 to 100. Okay. Okay. So the count one also do it by yourself. I only do the sum if for you. Okay. In the cell sheet, use the sum if. Okay. Sum if male attempts. So we use the function sum if. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So the range is from here to here. The first row normally is the where you want to check, and then the last column is the numbers. So the criteria is it must be a male. Okay, it must be a male, and the sum range is from here to here. Okay, so when you have male, like it will become 34 plus 70 plus 23 plus 94. So it will only sum up the male attempts. Okay, one more time. Summation, sum if. Okay, the range is from gender until attempts. Criteria is must be a female. Sum range is where you want to sum it up. What's the number you want to sum it up? Okay, so you get 111. And then year 11. So this time we change the sum if start from year because we want to check year, no longer check gender. So we find year, criteria is 11, sum range is from here. Done. And then same sum if range here, and then criteria is not 11. It says that all years apart from year 11, so not 11. Okay, and then the attempts is here. So enter, you get this. So sum if is just like the count if, but count is they count the number. Sum if is they sum the value. Okay. Okay, let's say this one is equal price times sales. Okay. So I will sum if Sony. So equal sum.
So for just now task 3, right? Where do we get the number of attempts?
I put a random number.
Oh, okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. So I will need to find sales total. So I get sales, no, sorry, from here to here. And then criteria is Sony. So I click on Sony, and then comma, range is the total price. So I select the total, and then I put enter. So this is the sales for Sony. This is sales for Samsung, and this is sales for Apple. No. Okay, can you see now it doesn't really start from Sony. So what you need to do is this one, you need to put absolute link, absolute reference. Okay, and then the range also you need to put absolute reference. Done. So that's what. So not Apple, but this one. Yep. And then for Samsung, should the B6 should be Samsung, and Sony should not. So it's not B5, but Sony H11. So apart from Sony, HTC equal sum if comma criteria not HTC comma range here, and enter. Then you get the result. Okay, I think time's up already. Yeah, I did the recording, so please do the rest. Task 2, task 4, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.